Thanks for tuning in there, fellow followers, parents, relatives, kids, whoever's watching this. Yeah. So we've been having little issues here with it getting fire. The only thing that I'm going to try that I know of is seeing if the distributor is like 180 out or something, which, you know, I put that distributor in when the engine was out with it at number one top dead center. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. So that's the only thing I can try, is because the only way it'll even detonate is if I pump the hell out of the gas, like if it was a carburetor engine. So yeah, other than that, I don't really know what else to try to get it running. I'm not too familiar with this electronic TBI stuff. I'm more of the old SBC 1973 50s, you know, all mechanical stuff. But the other dilemma that I discussed in the last video was this here not having the brake relay wiring. So I'll show you here. Look at the brake. See? It's on. And we have no taillight brakes. So basically something has happened between whatever model this came out of versus this one here that I have, where you have these pins here. This is the brake relay slot. So the only option there's two options I have. Either rip all that harness back out and put this V6 harness in there and extend the ones that I need to extend for like some of the sensors because they're on the different sides. Or just take these four wires out of all of this, wherever they end up, which I don't know, and just put those in the truck, wherever they end up at. So yeah, that's another dilemma that I have here, which is kind of upsetting, but is what it is. Now the other thing I did notice, it's going to be kind of hard to tell till we get it out, but this thing squatted a whole lot more with that V8. I didn't think it would, but yeah. The reason why I know is because I got a floor jack that's up front, and I couldn't even get it out because of the little chin spoiler. So yeah, that she squatted quite a bit more. So I don't know how much lower we're going to be. I got to check the frame when we get out, because if we're running too low, I'm going to have to address that, because I get it too low out here in Texas, and these damn potholes will kill you. So anyway, we're going to fuck with the distributor. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, see if it's 180 off. Get it. I'm going to try to see if I can get it at top dead center by turning the front here, because I ain't got nobody to bump the motor right now. So anyway, thanks for still stepping along this path, and keep watching. Alright, so as you can see in that video there, we had a little fire because as you can see here, this one is leaking. So I don't know if that's the culprit or not, but I checked the distributor top dead center, and you know, number one's right there, and the rotor is right there at top dead center, so it can't be 180 out. So I think there's something else going on. I don't even know, maybe if this harness is causing the issue. Maybe there's some electronics that are not getting picked up or something. It's hard to tell. Anyway, I guess we'll this is the reason why I'd rather just put a carb on this thing, this TBI mess, which might still be debatable to do. So I guess we'll keep scratching our head and try to figure out what's going on. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment below. That would help me out quite a bit. But we're going to go back to YouTube and watch some videos, see if we can find any info out there. So thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, make sure and subscribe. Until next time, keep it simple. Keep it on fire.